If you have issues with the black screen during calls on iPhone 17e, let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issue. After every option or setting that I show you, ideally you want to check if your issue is solved, and if it's not solved, then of course you want to keep going with the video and keep trying other things. So the first thing that I want to show you is in the settings. We're gonna go to display and the brightness, and then in here disable raise to wake. This is the first option that you can turn off in order to see if the black screen issue can be resolved. Besides that, there is one more option in settings, that is in accessibility. If we go to accessibility and proceed to motion, we have reduce motion. If you have this option enabled, you want to turn it off, because apparently this can also be the reason why you keep having black screen all the time during a call. Actually, there's one more thing in settings that I want to show you. If we go back to settings and proceed to general, then over here we should be able to find transfer or reset iPhone. We want to go to reset and then reset all settings on our phone. Of course, this is a little bit annoying because you will have to go through settings on your phone in order to make some adjustments, you know, to get back to your settings. But before you do that, before you make any changes in the settings, you want to make sure that, of course, the issue is solved. If it is, then that's great, and you can, of course, slowly adjust settings, but you want to do this ideally step by step once again to eventually find out what could be the reason why you have a black screen during calls, unless, of course, it is completely solved, and then, of course, you don't have to worry about it. Another thing that you can do with your iPhone is remove the screen protector. If you have a screen protector applied, it might cover sensors, and of course the sensors might falsely assume that you keep your phone close to your ear, to your face, or anything, and of course this can be the reason why the black screen is all the time during calls, because usually the phone puts the screen to sleep when these sensors that we have over here at the top detect that you keep your phone close to your ears. So the screen protector might be the issue. However, if it wasn't, unfortunately, if you remove the screen protector and if this wasn't the issue, you can also force restart your phone or just restart your phone. This should solve the issue as well. I mean, ideally. If you want to perform the force restart, you have to press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the side button. For the restart or reboot of the phone, you have to turn it off. So via control center, you should be able to press and hold your finger on the power button and then just slide to power off and then turn the phone back on. Also, a factory reset might be helpful, although I know that you probably don't really want to do that because you will erase everything that you have on your phone. But if you are willing to give it a try, then of course go ahead and do so. You can do this via settings. If you go to general, then over here proceed to transfer or reset iPhone, then of course you should be able to find the erase all content and settings, and hopefully after factory resetting your phone this issue is solved. However, if it's still not, if you still have a black screen during calls, then at this point you probably want to seek professional help. You want to contact Apple support and ask them if they can make a hardware check to make sure that everything is correct. Most likely it might be something wrong, something faulty with sensors, so of course at this point a professional help is needed. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.